What's going on, YouTube? This is Medic Rob coming to you with a review and install of an easy down tailgate shock on a new 2019 F-150 STX. Here you'll see I'm going to be opening up the package. I'm going to be showing you the instructions and all the parts that come with it, the shock, the tools, the bolt, and everything included. And then there's the brackets that we connect to the wall here that I'm about to show you. We're going to be loosening up these screws, and that screw right there, or that bolt you should say, comes out completely, and you set it right there on the tailgate. I made the mistake of putting that bolt back. The kit itself comes with a bolt that is a hex bolt, and you can use an Allen key on it, and it's a flatter profile and it won't rub up against the shock, but I made the mistake of putting that bolt back on. Still, there's not much rub of the shock. I really tightened down that bolt. Didn't realize it until I had already installed it, and then of course once I installed the shock on the brackets that it comes with, it's almost permanent. Got to really pry it and see if I could get it off of there in order to install the proper shock. But here I am placing the bracket back on there. As you saw with the lower bolt, it was just loosened a little bit, enough to remove the washer from the paint and from that tailgate, and then tighten them both down, make sure they're nice and tight. That's a 10mm socket wrench that I used. And then pretty soon here we're going to be moving to the next spot. And the next spot here, I'm going to get ready to remove this. I'm going to call it the cable bolt, the tailgate cable bolt. Basically, you got to lift up the tailgate here. You got to remove the cable. Very, very simple to do. Just hold it up with your leg, and then you pull that little metal tab that's right there in front, and you can remove the cable from there. As you can see, I'm doing right here. I just removed it with my finger, popped up the tab a little bit, and boom, there it was. So then they provide you with a special like hex, almost like an Allen key. It comes with the kit, and it helps you get this off. They do show you to use a socket wrench with this Allen key, but I didn't have this type of Allen key, so I had to use my hand in order to get this off, and it came off actually fairly easy. So once I got it going, and then you're going to put one of the metal brackets that comes with it. It's a single like studded shock bracket that comes on here, and you're going to put it in place with this bolt. You're going to put the washer over it, and I put the flat side facing basically in towards the bed and the rounded side out. There was no instructions on that, but then again, that's the only way it can really go on, as you could see. So there I go, I'm screwing that in right there with my hand, trying to keep it looking straight as possible, tightening it up right here. And then you're going to see me show you all the brackets there. Then we go on to putting on the actual shock itself. This was just slightly confusing, not clear instructions on this on that paper. I was really trying to figure out the best way to get the shock on. So here I go, I'm putting the cable back on to give me a little more support, and then I figured that I could try to pull on the actual shock itself and get it to release a little bit, but that wasn't the case either. So then went ahead and I started supporting the tailgate with my body. As you can see, I tried some really weird way of pushing this on, but of course that didn't work for me. So then I switched positions, came from holding the tailgate against my body itself and pushing with my other hand. And I noticed that if you angled the connection of the shock itself, you angle it one side and then turn it over, it works perfectly fine. And you'll see this works great. Lowers slow here, about to show you that. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys.
Hey guys, thank you again for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it, and I hope you comment and maybe even share it with somebody who is trying to install an easy down tailgate shock. It's really great. It's helping out a lot. It helps my wife out a lot. I did buy her a new truck, and it's helping her not have to hold the weight of the tailgate as it comes down. I went ahead and put it on my truck too. I enjoy it. I think it's a good thing. Again, I hope y'all enjoy it. Please come back for more. I'm gonna have some more videos come out. Basically working on my 2 new F-150s. Thank you. Have a great day.